If you think ChatGPT is the only AI tool you need, you are mistaken. In this video, I will share 3 secret AI tools that can improve your life by helping you complete tasks faster and making you more money. If this piques your interest, be sure to watch till the end. Our first AI tool for today is Runway, which is a powerful video and image editing tool that utilizes AI. In here you can edit a pic as wish as you want. Example, we can see this vase that we can change the color of flowers, color of vase, and the shape of these things. It's totally free, just you need to create a free account. It offers a wide range of editing options, including background removal, object replacement, audio cleaning, and even motion tracking. One of its impressive features is the ability to zoom in on a video and remove objects from it, as shown in the demonstration. This AI tool is definitely worth checking out if you want to enhance your editing skills. The second AI tool I want to introduce is Pictory, a tool that helps content creators produce videos with just text. With Pictory, you can upload an article or text, and the AI will automatically generate a video by reading the text. Additionally, it allows you to create scripts for videos, which is a useful feature for those who need to make instructional videos. Overall, these 2 AI tools are just a small sample of what's available in the AI landscape. By incorporating AI tools into your work or personal life, you can significantly boost productivity and creativity. So, keep exploring and experimenting with various AI tools, and you might just discover some life-changing tools that you never knew existed. Our third AI tool is the innovative Tome app, a storytelling app that I foresee using frequently in the future. This application is truly impressive as it generates a presentation for you based on your inputs. By signing up for a free account, you gain access to numerous templates, or you can create your own. To demonstrate the app's capabilities, let me show you how easy it is to create a presentation. Using the app, you can request the AI to create a presentation on any topic you choose, such as what is cryptocurrency, and Tome AI will generate a suitable presentation for you, complete with relevant text and images. As you can see, the presentation generated includes slides for affiliate marketing, selling digital products, freelancing, blogging, YouTube, and online courses. The AI has even come up with catchy titles for each slide. You can modify the text or images according to your preferences, but the presentation already looks fantastic. The app's efficiency and simplicity make it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to create an outstanding presentation without putting in too much time or effort. Thanks for watching my video. Please follow my channel and like the video.